I have just cooked our dinner, which is going to be spaghetti squash. Here goes the excavator. I'm so sad. Okay, you guys, I am way too excited about this, but remember that delivery box that I made that's sitting right behind me? I put it out in sometime the first part of May, I think, middle of May, and it is the day before Halloween, and guess what? FedEx finally delivered a box right there. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know why. I find joy in silly things, I guess, but that just made me excited that we could actually get a delivery. We'll see if UPS ever figures out where we're at. The thing I wanted to talk about is I use the sun oven quite a bit to cook. That way I don't have to run a generator to run the convection oven. So for example, today I have just cooked our dinner, which is going to be spaghetti squash. We learned that you don't want the tank to run dry enough that you run out of water down here at our hydrant, because we've been probably sitting here half an hour at least waiting for the water to come back down. We think oops, my hand's in the way. We think it's airlocked a bit. And here's the little trickle, if you can see it down there. Just trickling a little bit out. That's what it's been doing for the last half hour. So I think that down the hill, down here in the ravine, I think probably there was water in there, and then above it, there was air. So now we have water at the top because we refilled the tank, a bunch of air, water, and then air on this end. Anyways, don't let the tank go dry. That's the moral of the story. We're gonna actually put a float valve on the tank in the future, so it'll just keep it full. But yeah, we let it get too low, and this is the result. We had a problem over here with the water tank. Not a big problem, but a little problem, in that the rain was coming down and forming a big puddle right here where the lid is. You can kind of see the level on here. It came up to there on this electrical box because you can see the sand on it, which means that it probably was seeping down into the little vent thing. We might have got some sand and stuff down there, even though there's a little netting on it. Anyways, so I've been doing some things to try and mitigate that and create a path for the water to drain by doing a trench over here to the tree. So I just need to like clear out the bottom now, and it should flow out at least away from the parts that are a problem right here. Today I fixed this right here so that it slopes all the way down. We don't get a mud puddle pond. Sorry, right there. Hopefully. Still have a little bit of cleanup to do with the tractor, but the excavator goes away in a couple days, so I wanted to get that done. And then we're gonna put some erosion fabric blanket along that one edge, and I'm gonna create a trench that goes down this side, probably about, you can't see, starting about right there. Anyway, and hopefully that will take care of the problem. got this whole area here excavated clear over there for next year, next season, where we'll put our shopping garage in. So there'll have to be more excavation done because we'll have to dig down for footings and make it level and everything, but the majority of it's done, which is awesome. The excavator goes home today and we will miss it. It's been great having it the last month, maybe a little more than a month, because I've gotten a lot of stuff done, and when we first got it I was scared to death of it. It's such a big powerful machine, but now I actually really love it and will miss it a lot, and because it just can do things so much quicker and easier than the little tractor that we have. So I will miss it. Thank you, Reed, so much for letting us borrow it for as long as we did. She's loaded on a trailer.
I've played this one too many times.
Going away.
Where do you want it?
Here goes the excavator. I'm so sad to lose my friend. It's been a fun toy to play with. Bye bye, excavator. I'll miss you. Headed home. Another day of adventures is over. Thanks for watching. Remember, live life deliberately.